Hello, it's been a month. I've been kind of busy with my master thesis and I've got my wisdom teeth removed. But I'm back. Coming in the door we have my movable tool stand. All my clamps on the back side. All of them, not on the floor. Right next to my clamp rack we have my work table, but it's kind of messy right now. If you want to see more details on my workbench, I have a video on my channel. Over here I have my electronic tools, like my jigsaw and my circular saw. And over here I have my jointer planer. Maybe I will build a rolling base for that, but I don't know yet. Here on top I have my drill press and my sanding station that I reconstructed a little. Over here I have my music box and my amplifier. There's no working without music. In this fireproof corner I have my little oven. It's just enough for 2 pieces of wood, but it's enough for the winter. Over here are my bandsaw and my table saw. These 2 tools are maybe the most important tools in my workshop. My table saw is a Kitty 619. I bought it used from a friend. It has an integrated sled here. And you can extend the table on this side. It's perfect size for my workshop. This bandsaw is a Shepach HBS 300. I'm not really happy with this machine, but it's all I got. I want to change the motor for a bigger one. And I also want to improve the tracking here. Over here I have my big pile of wood pieces, including plywood plates, boards, and thicker material I saw up. My dust collection came with my table saw. And finally, this is the new metalworking area that I rebuilt. On this side I have my workbench for metalworking, also really full of stuff. This is the forge that I'm rebuilding. It used to stand over there on the next to the little oven. I'm making it bigger. And this side isn't all that exciting, it's just full of the crap I didn't have time to sort out right now. Yeah, so that's my workshop. It's kind of a mess, it has always been a mess, and I'm trying to get grips on all the stuff. But wait! There's more. I reviewed the material and I thought I had to go into the projects I do. So I have a lengthy list of projects that I start and occasionally continue. I want to show you the projects I've been doing. Well, a lot of my time recently has gone to build this thing here. That's a big part of my master thesis. It's going to be a robot for playing bass guitar. Don't want to go into all the details, but it kind of works, I think. I have also started to build a new guitar, this time especially for jazz. And I resaw a bunch of birchwood I had and glued the pieces together and started to shaping the main body of the guitar. And the special thing is that it will be a hollow archtop guitar, but without the sides and only two massive pieces that I'm going to hollow out. This is another project I started. I cut a lot of these pieces. When these pieces are done, they will be the corners for a wallboard that I'm wanting to build. Something like this. So I've already shown you my forge. Here I want to show you the blower I got for my forge. And I started making these flange that goes up on the blower. Screws right on there. And I'm making some kind of valve here for controlling the airflow. This anvil block is still on my list. You can see it's really racketing around, and I want to make a sturdy piece of massive wood, maybe out of 10x10s. This is the box of nice pieces of firewood that I gathered and saved from the fire. I want to plane them all down and have nice square pieces of wood that I can use in the future. In this box I have a project that I'm probably most anxious of getting done. Since I'm into making music lately a lot, I have here a Princeton Reverb kit. I'm not quite sure how the case is gonna look yet. The amp itself is working already. Okay, so we're now in my smallest shop, the shop I moved out because my woodworking stuff is now over here in this big shop. This is now my electronics workshop. Right here I have my parts for the snare drum that I started to build. That's an upcoming project. Underneath here I have my lovely Sultan Turbojet. It's a Leslie style amplifier for organ usually, but I want to make a guitar box out of it. So the amplifier is missing, I'm gonna leave it out. I'm just gonna have a speaker and a horn which are spinning and creating the Leslie sound. Here I have some guitar parts left. This is the neck that I replaced with my plywood neck. And this is the neck from my old bass guitar. Which corpus is this thing that is made from beech wood and it's really heavy, so I cut it in half with my handsaw, and I want to replace the back with a spruce or some lighter material and rebuild the bass guitar. Something like this. And in this box I have a lot of guitar parts, pickups and a truss rod and things that are gonna be mounted into my instrument. Some time ago I got myself these Nerf guns and I want to refinish them and paint them something similar that Adam Savage did with his Nerf gun. And with this head here and this broken sunglasses, I want to make some sort of space pirate costume. I've also got this very strong washing machine motor and I want to use it to build some sort of dust collection, maybe. Here on the other side you can see the mess that I call my electronics workshop. Got my 3D printer over here, which is not working yet. Got all my Arduino and Raspberry Pi stuff here. And my soldering station, and whenever I want to do something with electronics I put everything aside that's in the way and start working here. For programming and stuff I have my very cheap workshop laptop here. And I've got my, a screen and a desktop workplace here. These are just some old computer speakers that I mounted to a wooden handle, and I made a phone stand so I could listen to music in here.